Neil, congratulations. Just finished your bodywork beginnings. And amazing, because you only jumped on the course at the last minute, right?
I did, yeah. It was a spontaneous little move by myself and partly my wife.
Yeah.
Sort of like give me a
Pushed
little
you.
push into
Yeah.
it, but
Yeah.
that's fine. That's what she does generally. So.
Yeah, great.
So she's good at.
Yeah, amazing. And how was the course? Did it live up to expectations?
It's been brilliant. All of it's been brilliant. Learning a completely new skill, meeting so many like really nice people, but really different people. People like kinds of personalities maybe that I wouldn't meet in everyday life. But it's just been so many parts of it. It's been brilliant. Starting the day with yoga and just really sets you up and gets you going. And then we do a little bit of theory, learn a little bit of the theory side of things, and then we do the practical. So it's a real good blend of what's important and the different facets of being a massage therapist.
Yeah, amazing. That's great. So do you feel like it's opened some doors for you in your life?
Hopefully, yeah. I want some doors opening in my life, and that's kind of the idea, to try and change my pathway and to try and live a very good life, but career-wise and me personally-wise, to have a different direction. Hopefully we'll do that.
Great. All right, lovely. I'm thrilled to have you on that journey, and thanks for Carpe Diem jumping on the last minute.
Yeah, that's right, John. Thank you.